For Thursday the 16th of November 2023, here's the latest from the Force 13's regional AU channel on the national weather scene. More storms and storm activity to continue for the next 7 to 10 days. Here's a look at the Brisbane radar recorded early this morning. Rain and thunderstorms will continue to soak large areas of central and eastern Australia during the coming week, with potential for substantial rain in Queensland starting this weekend. Here's a look at the storm probabilities from 1300 hours through to 2200 hours on Friday. First half of November featured widespread rain and storms over part of every state and territory in Australia. The wet and stormy weather included ominous shelf clouds, plenty of outback thunder, and more than 8 million lightning strikes. Current capital city temperatures at the time of doing this update: 25.6 in Sydney, 16.3 in Melbourne, 32, hot one here in Brisbane, 22.6 Perth, 20.2 in Adelaide, 13.8 Hobart, 25 Canberra, and 32.4 in Darwin. Supercell probabilities. As you can clearly see what areas are in the firing line. No rainfall has been recorded in any of the capital cities. A possible shower for Hobart, a possible shower or storm for Darwin. Partly cloudy Canberra, same Adelaide, sunny Perth. Possible shower or storm Brisbane. Possible shower Melbourne, showers developing for Sydney. And it looks like it's going to be the Northern Territory, WA border, and Gillies there on the WA South Australian border. Keeping an eye on the radar for storm development. Here's a look at pressure and precipitation. Precipitation is in the box bottom of the screen. Each of these images are 3 hourly, and as mentioned in the earlier report, near or above average rainfall is possible across the next month. But rain and more storms to impact various parts of Australia next week. Past week has seen a crazy set of storms in Australia's central east and southeast, heralding strong wind gusts, peaking at 100 kilometres an hour in regions of northern New South Wales. Here's the Bureau's latest rainfall outlook for the 8-day period. And look at that area in green. This is a developing picture. There will be areas which will be hit and miss. There's a hazardous surf warning for coastal areas in New South Wales, fire weather warning for the northern slopes and north-western fire weather districts, and a handful of strong wind warnings. There's a patch of blue which indicates 100 to 150 millimeters, probably to the west of Rockhampton, Gladstone. Now we have a look at the GFS model. It's precipitation, side pressure and wind. And here's a look at one model. It's the GFS, precipitation and pressure. And next week we're going to see quite a bit of low pressure activity. And bye for now.